हेलो फ्रेंड्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप सो यू ऑल विल बी फिट एंड फाइन एट योर होम. Our biology questions are left and we have done physics and chemistry solution of NEET UG. Okay, so we are going to start today biology. So we are going to start with 91 question. The question is, which one of the following refer to correct example of organisms which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic actions? So here we can see the options very clearly. So we will go to the option C. In this, B, C and D, three are correct statement. Okay, so next move to 92 question. Match of the following question. Here we should select the correct option. Okay, so here we will go to the third option because third is the correct option. Next 93 question. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. So options are, when exposed to antigen living or dead, antibodies are produced in the host body. It is called active immunity. Second is, when ready-made antibodies are directly given it is called passive immunity. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. And fourth is, fetus receives some antibodies from mother. It is an example for passive immunity. So here C option is correct. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. Next 94th question. Here we have to select correct events that occurs during inspiration. So here contraction of diaphragm and contraction of intercostal muscles, both are correct here. Okay, so move to the next question, 95th. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in phosphorespiration leads to the formation of, so it will lead to the formation of one molecule of 3 carbon compound. Next question is, the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body is. So Plasmodium enters through the human body by sporogytes. Next is, which of the following statements about inclusion body is incorrect? So involved in ingestion of food particles is incorrect statement. Whether the left statements are correct. Next is, dissolution of synaptonymal complex occur during. So it will occur during the diplotin stage. Next is, rape florets have, so it have inferior ovary, not superior, and it will only have inferior ovary. Next, in galactophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of, so they can only be visualized with ETBR, that is ethidium bromide, and only in the presence of UV radiation. Except UV radiation, we cannot visualize these DNA fragments. Next is, in which one of the following techniques the embryo are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? So it will GIFT and IUT. Next is 102 question. Select the option including all sexually transmitted disease. So these are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. Next is, identify the wrong statement. In this, we have to find the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. So the incorrect statement is, higher H plus concentration in alveoli occurs the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Next is, identify the incorrect statement. So here incorrect is, sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in the color. So it is not lighter in the color and not the innermost secondary xylem. Move to next question. Identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzyme. So restriction enzyme के regarding यहाँ पे wrong statement क्या है? वो है, sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligases. Next, Floridian starch has structure similar to, so these have similar structure to amylopectin and glycogen. Next is 107. Choose the correct pair from the following. Okay, so here ligase is correct because ligase join two DNA molecules with each other. Next, embryological support for evolution disapproved by, so it was disapproved by Carl Ernst von Baer. Next question, the first phase of translation. So first phase of translation is amyloacylation of tRNA. Okay. So next question, the plant parts which consist of two generations, one within the other. So here pollen grains inside the anther and other one is embryo sac inside the ovule, both are correct. Next, the number of substrate level phosphorylation in one turn of circuit acid cycle is, so only one. Next, matching question, here option D is correct. Next is again matching question. Here option B is correct. In this we will match A typhoid A with the 3 because typhoid belongs to Salmonella. We can say Salmonella typhi. Okay, and B with 4th pneumonia with Haemophilus. We can say Haemophilus influenzae, and C is filariasis. So we will match this with A, Vicariaria, and next is malaria with Plasmodium. Next question, Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for of, so it was for emission of ozone depleting substances. Next is the QRS complex in a standard ECG represents, so it represents depolarization of ventricles. Next is name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on sugarcane crop increases the length of stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane crop. So it is gibberellin because it is very famous for growth. If we spray gibberellin on any plant, then its height will automatically get growing with a rapid rate. सो इसका जो ग्रोथ रेट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी मतलब वो ग्रोथ करने लगेगा. एक जो टाइम पीरियड उसको ग्रोथ करने में नेचुरली लगता था उसके कंपैरिजन में बहुत जल्दी उसकी जो ग्रोथ है हमें दिखाई पड़ने लगेगी. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मैनी ट्रू ब्रीडिंग पी प्लांट वेराइटीज डिड मेंडल सिलेक्ट as pairs which were similar except in one character with contrasting traits. So 14 characters. Constant.